Hey guys, welcome back for another weekly vlog. So as you guys can see, I got Dunkin' Donuts. Normally I have breakfast at home, but this Monday I was just rushing. Anyway, I was doing that because the coffee didn't taste as good anyway. Just got it simple today, cream cheese and bacon. Hey guys, so today is Monday, April the 8th. Today was a solar eclipse. I'm going to insert the little photo that I got because I wasn't trying to burn my phone. I had it behind the glasses. My glasses kind of ripped now, but I took them with me. As a souvenir, I didn't go. I was actually at work. I remember I told you guys I had to stay for professional development, but in the midst of professional development, I sneaked out. Well, I didn't sneak out, really, but I stepped away for a little bit, and then I went to go watch it with my coworkers outside the school building. It was nice. So these are the glasses. Like I said, it kind of got messed up a little bit, but they're really dark. Like if I put them on, I can't see nothing. Like that's how dark they are. But like I said, I'll enter the picture. It was really cool. I felt like a little kid, like going and running. Let me go see the solar eclipse. The only thing that sucked, I wish we saw the full thing, but in New York, apparently we don't get to see the full, the solar eclipse. You don't get to see it in totality, if that's the name of it. So meaning the moon blocks the sun fully. So it was like pretty much a crescent when I left. So right now I was sitting here just looking at TikToks for a little bit. I don't know why, but I'm actually just gonna go brush my teeth, put my liners in. Tomorrow is my Invisalign appointment, so let's see what they say. But I already told y'all in a couple of vlogs back that I am done. I'm not paying any more money for my teeth. It's just been so long. The gap is closed. I'm just hoping, like, I think for me, I might have to just be one of those lifelong retainer words, because that's my only fear, that I have my gap again if I don't wear my retainers consistently forever. So that's the only thing, but I'm fine with how it looks. This is what my teeth currently look like. Now, if you look at, it's crazy because I have to look at older photos of my teeth to see, like, wow, there's like a big difference. And I feel like there's a major difference. Now, like I said, for those of you guys who didn't see that part of my last vlog, my orthodontist was saying, like, she wanted me to spend extra money to fix the back teeth on my top. But I'm telling you guys, I'm fine with my teeth. I really am not spending more money, unnecessary money that I don't need to spend. I'm just gonna keep it 100. I spent so much money on that I'm just through and I'm done with it. But I just re-watered my rose, and for those guys like, who gave me a rose? So it was paraprofessional day of last Wednesday, I think. Anyway, I got the rose on Friday, so I'm not no type of florist. I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. So I had to go, I had to Google it. But it was like, you need to put refresh your water 2 to 3 days, and it has been like 3 days now. So I didn't want to keep it as long as possible, because normally I don't care. I would just never change the water and just have the plant. The last rose I got, I think I just left it there. That's not good. So this time I actually put water in it. I just refreshed the water today. And yeah, there's my rose. But lastly, speaking of roses, I've been meaning to get myself like a whole, not roses, but just like a bouquet of flowers for myself. Self-care. Treat myself. Maybe I'll get them tomorrow. I don't know. And then maybe I'll just add it to my vase right now. Like maybe get a couple of some real flowers and add it to there. But yeah. Anyway, yeah. So this was Tuesday. I made it to my Invisalign appointment now. I'm eating my dinner. I got Chipotle because there's Chipotle next to my Invisalign office, and I'll tell you guys what happened because you can't really record in there. So hey guys, so it is Tuesday, April the 9th. And just to recap you guys, so I went to my Invisalign appointment. Tell me why I was there for like 5 minutes. So my mind didn't connect with my brain. I was tired, didn't get enough sleep. I wasn't even thinking about taking my top liner, but pretty much she wanted to. So long story short, like I told you guys before, I already said, like, I'm done with the treatment. They were trying to make me to fix something on the top. I'm like, I am done. But anyway, I'm gonna have to go back tomorrow. Luckily, I'm off tomorrow. I'll be going tomorrow morning. Like, probably I'll try to go early when they're open. That way I could just get it done. I have to bring my top aligners because she said she needs to put pressure on this tooth or something like that because it's turned a little bit. Do tomorrow. Once they open, I'm gonna be straight in there so she can get that done. Then I also want to go to the mall and I have to get my toes done. Now, one of my toes is like crooked looking now because I have to cut it because unfortunately, that happens. That's the only thing I hate with gel. Sometimes my nail cracks, and so that's what happened. I might have to file it down, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I also want to fold my clothes that I filled from Sunday, but that's also not happening right now because, like I said, I didn't have enough sleep last night. I woke up like at 1, and then I just felt my body tossing and turning. I didn't even know if I actually fell asleep, and if I did, it wasn't for like a long time. So right now I just want to relax for a little bit. If I happen to fall asleep, oh well, I take a little nap, and then I'll wake up, and I feel like then I'll be refreshed to like get things done. So yeah, I just want to like quickly before I really sit down. I just remember my sister said my Fytoo, my glasses came. I thought they weren't coming today because honestly the thing was not clear, the tracking. But anyway, they did come together today. And I'm like, I didn't see it when we got into the house. But anyway, I found it. So yeah. And I do have a coupon code for Fytoo if you guys want to. You see, this one I purchased with my money. I told you guys. This one that I'm wearing actually too, coincidentally, is one that I purchased with my money. But I did have a few hauls of other glasses that I did receive free from them. So yeah, I don't just be talking about brands to talk about them. I actually go back to them. But I do like Fytoo because I like that they have a lot of different glasses, shapes, colors. I like that. Anyway, if you're new, quick unboxing. Every time you get a Fytoo box, because I only got one glasses, it only came in a little box. But normally, if you get a lot, like if you saw my past haul, which I'll probably link up here, it'll be like a big box because there's more glasses. But anyway, they give you like the cloth to clean your glasses. They normally give you like a thing with a coupon code, the PD ruler to measure the width between your both eyes. This is just how to take care of the glasses. And then here they just gave me like kind of like, I think this is the receipt on what I got, yeah, with my prescription. So I wanted to test out blue light glasses, so that's what this is. I have to test it on the computer, but I don't think I'm gonna use the computer anytime soon. At least not now. I don't have anything in the work to do, so maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But anyway, so this is what the glasses look like. I got something different. I just want to try them on real quick. They're blue. I was like, I didn't really care too much about what the color was or how it looked because I'm really gonna solely use these glasses only like when I'm on the computer, mostly. So sometimes I spend a long time editing and stuff like that, and I'm on the laptop for so long. Or just editing on my phone, that too. So let's see how these look. Perfect. They look perfect. They fit perfectly, just like my prescription. So this is what they look like. So these are, but I got the blue light in them. You can't see it, obviously. I thought it was gonna be tinted or something, but I guess not. But yeah, I actually like this. This color is really different. It's cute. What do you guys think about it? I'll leave the link to these glasses if you guys are interested in it. I don't know. I think this comes in another color, but I'm not too sure. So yeah, I do like them. So yeah. New glasses. Not that I don't even have, as you guys can see behind me, I have a whole thing of glasses already, but these are going to be specifically for just computer. I got the blue light lens on them so that when I go on the laptop, hopefully that might reduce my headache and stuff like that from being on the laptop too long, because I know for sure when I'm on the laptop too long, I feel like it starts bothering my eyes too much and straining my eyes. So initially I was going to do my toes at the salon, but I decided, you know what, I had the day off tomorrow, so I just said, let me just do it. So if you guys are wondering, the water was way too hot. So my little brother happened to be in my room, so I was telling him pour some cold water because I didn't realize I made the water so hot and it was burning me. So anyway, I'm just doing my regular routine. I do have a maintenance vlog. Maybe did a month or two, which was more detailed, but it's pretty simple. I just go ahead and just clean out my feet. Making sure I clean my cuticles, and then I'm just going in with my thing to go around and take away any like skin around my toes. Just make your toes look neat. And then I'm just scraping my foot. Now I had another thing that I was using, my I forgot what you call it, but I must have cut it out before I used this to just make sure I get off all the calluses and stuff under my foot. But yes. Now I love this putty scrub. I use this as like the last step I generally do before I actually paint my toes. It has an exfoliating side and it has the like cleaning side, so I just like to thoroughly like clean my feet with that. All right, and then I like to just go in with some type of thing to just make sure that my feet is okay before it gets exposed to the UV light lamp. I mean, I'm just putting in my base coat. And then I forgot I was filming, and I want to be done because I actually do anything. But yeah, I did my pink. Now this is the next morning. Like I said, I was off. So I brought my flowers down, which yeah. And then I went ahead and folded my laundry because I had to do that. Hey y'all, so I'm running a little late than I initially scheduled to move, but it is currently 10:19. I wanted to leave at 10 on the dot, but my Invisalign place opens at 10 a.m. It's 3 stops from me, so it's not too far on the train. So I'm actually getting ready for that. I'm wearing something light fit, just a top, and then today's 65. So this light coat and then some jeans. You guys can't really see that, but I don't want to talk too much to you guys, so that's the plan. I actually ended up doing my toes at home, which I will insert the clip of that. And so all I have to do after that is go to the mall. I hope to only be there for like an hour and a half. Like, yes, I'm trying to enjoy the weather, but also I want to come home and just relax for a little bit before I have to go back to work tomorrow. So anyway, that's it for now. I'll talk to you guys after. And I made sure to have both my liners on so that I didn't have an issue. That was the problem, and that's why I have to go back again today a second time. But anyway, so I finished my appointment. So I realized there was a bus that can take me straight to the mall. It was like 6 stops and express. So anyway, first store I went into is Forever 21. Collective Haul is now live, so you guys can check out what I actually ended up buying in the mall. But yeah, they had a lot of 50% off things, items. They had like $30 items. So they had a few things in Forever 21. Hey guys, so I just got back from, don't mind my bed, because I had left stuff because I wanted to go and come back. But I went to, what do you call this place? I went to my orthodontist, long story. So I just put both the liners just to save me the time, just in case. I don't think in 2 weeks is going to do... Well, I can't say that because in 1 week, this gap wasn't fully filled. And then it filled completely in, so I can't say that. You'd think sometimes the process is not quick, but it is. But anyway, so... I'm going to quickly try to do a haul. I did go to the mall, like I said I was going to. I try not to stay there too long because I want to come back. Sorry, the lighting. I want to come back, but... I just got a few things from Victoria's Secret and then other stores. I got these slides, which I started wearing, and I was like, oh snap, I said I was going to do a collective haul, so I'll just show them as you guys see. They're still pretty new because I just put them on. I gotta just remove, I'm going to remove the stuff on the bottom, but they say pink on them. Because the weather's changing, and I realized I didn't have my other open-toed one that I'm saving for my next vacation. Or not my next vacation, but when I go, I said I was going to specifically, hold on, sorry. I was going to specifically save it for those slides for vacation only. And the other ones that I had before, I actually threw out because they were starting to, they were starting to tear and stuff like that. Sorry, I'm trying to get my ring light so I could film so hard. Sorry if you guys don't see. I need to change one of my light bulbs, so that's why the light is kind of like blah in here. We all have to say, I gotta fix my ring light. Maybe I'll film that while I do it because the pieces fell off and it was pissing me off. So I just left it like that until I could sit there and fix it. So I gotta fix that before wanted to utilize my time, so now I'm just going ahead and editing the video, which I told you guys again, once again, the collective haul, I'll link it in the cards, but also probably in the description box so you guys can check it out. I did not want to make this a super long video. I'm trying to condense here and there and make videos shorter, some short form, some long form, and yeah, so and as you guys see, I'm just doing a quick Temu haul, nothing crazy, of the few items that I got, so you guys can clearly watch that. It wasn't extensive. So yeah, I just got some nails, I got some shoes, and then I think I got a couple like sweaters and stuff like that for outfits that I can put together for church. Now I will say I'm not in love with these type of shoes. Because it's like a buckle shoes, but it's like a clip. That's the only thing I didn't like about the shoes, but I already bought it, so I'm gonna have to wear it. It's the next day. I have early lunch, but I want a salad outside of sandwiches. And then MTA, welcome to New York City life. The train was messed up, so I had to take an alternate ride to my house. And this is just the next day. I got into the gym. I'm trying to get back into a consistent schedule, but Stairmaster killed me per usual. I don't think I have anything else. I wanted to make this as much as possible of a weekly vlog, but hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I ended up going to Dollar Tree real fast after, and then after that I got my brother like a little like Bible coloring book or something like that, so you could do if he gets bored in church. And then I just bought a couple of stuff. And sorry if you hear a noise, people are texting me while I tried to do voice call over, and I just did press on real fast. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.